What's up, guys? Welcome back to How To Subaru. This episode we're going to be doing a TGV Delete, and this is a DIY. Nothing I bought, that was pre-made for this. Couple things you need is some tools. We're going to go over that right now. So here's the tools that we're going to need to do it. Sawzall with a multi-purpose blade on it, 10 mil socket, 9/32. This is a impact Phillips screwdriver that you'll use with the hammer to break the screws loose. A drill. We have a basically a grinder bit to shave down some of the edges inside the TGV housing. This is a 9/64 drill bit, which we'll be using to get the backs of the screws off, and a couple of these grinder bits to smooth out the inside. Alright, let's get started. So here's the TGV with the valves inside, butterfly valves, I guess. And as you can see, hopefully you can see, they have the two screws there, which the back ends of these screws, which you won't be able to really see in there, are like shot peened or kind of just smashed down so they won't back out and get sucked into the engine, which makes it pretty difficult to get them out. We're going to use that impact driver, and basically it'll break the back end of it off, getting the head of the screw off, but leaving the back end off, and that's what we need the drill bit for. Alright, let's go ahead and do that. So now that we have those pieces cut out, we're going to want to try to grind down the remaining material there. Almost, probably till it's smooth with this. It's going to take a while. Alright guys, so here we have the finished product after being ground down, which took forever. I put the rod back in. Turned out pretty good. Be careful if you're using a Sawzall. I went a little too crazy and actually made a little slice all the way through. It happened so quick, but nothing a little JB Weld couldn't fix. So there you have it, TGV Delete. Gain a little horsepower just by grinding down that stuff, so not a bad upgrade there. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.